We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before we.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Bonjour et bienvenue to yet another video. I am just going to be giving you guys an update of what I am doing and how far I am on my decluttering process. So welcome to my messy bedroom. My things are just all over the place. So this is another round of decluttering. So what I've done today so far, let me give you an update. These are things that I know for sure I am taking. So I have packed them. So some of these things are just like baby covers or sheets that I know they're going to use. These are hair bands that I've put in these gummy boxes. And then here I have hair accessories which I think my girls are going to really need. So yeah, hair accessories, earrings, these are hair bands, these are hair clips. So yeah, so for the things that I know for sure I am going to carry, I am just putting them in my first suitcase. So there is this, and then I'm also going to pack these books I know I am carrying. Am I? Yes, this I got from my dad. So yes, that I'm taking. Yep, these we're taking. What else have I done? These are things we're going to leave. If I can get a sneak peek. I don't want to uncover them, but these are pictures which I have wrapped. Like some of the pictures that I know we won't take. Ignore the sellotape on my hand. Then I have divided the kids' books. These ones I know for sure I am done with them. So these ones I am going to like just put for children in shags to just read. I don't know, like sentences, because they're pretty much books that were very nice, but my children, like this one was a really nice book because it had like texture. Okay, let me remove this tape. It's also irritating me. So this one is like a book where a child reads, and it's like a texture book. So yeah, I don't know why my children, this one, the nose is spongy. These ones I'm just going to keep for just random kids to read. This one was a really fun book because it was looking for these teddy bears. This was so cool, but somehow, yeah, it's just been destroyed. So these ones I'm going to leave and just give away. This is another textured book. Yeah, like packing is not fun. Packing is not fun. This is also textured. This was really fun. Yeah, but unfortunately we're going to have to leave this. So these ones I'm going to leave. Then these ones I know for sure we are taking, like books that are in good status for my kids at least to read before we settle and like know where supermarkets are and all that. So yeah, these ones I'm going to pack away in a suitcase so that I can at least get things moving and just not have everything everywhere. This is one of my kids' memorabilia that we are going to put some of her assignments. You guys know CBC has been where? Wow, I'm telling you. So yeah, these are some of her projects, and some of this was grade 1. Yeah, these ones I'm sure she'll want to see when she's older. So these ones we will pack away in a box. So I'll have different boxes with like the kids things and what, like for us, what we are going to put. So I'm not going to mix. Like the children will just have their own box of memorabilia. We'll have our own box of memorabilia. This one I've already started on it. And yeah, so that's how far we are. I will keep you guys up to date on another declutter if I have an update. So for now, this is a second round of declutterish. We'll see you in the third round. Alright guys, so I've decided to just declutter my wardrobe once and for all. So here I am just removing all our clothes, and I'm going to just decide what we're keeping, what we are not keeping, what we will use between now and the time when we travel, and what we are going to give away. It's a lot of clothes, and I did not realize how much work this was, and it was also late in the evening, but since I had started, I'm just going to begin. I need help. I need help. I've just cleared one side of my wardrobe and I am regretting that decision because I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with all this. I don't know what I want to keep, what I want to give away, what I am going to use between now and the time I travel, because I honestly don't want to do this the last month. Like last minute, like this is too much. If I say I'm going to pack all these things like the last day before I leave, it's going to be too much, because this is for 2 people practically, and then I still have 4 children to sort out their things. Like, I'm going to lose my brain. I don't know. How do you pack your life? How do you pack the things that you know? How do you just leave stuff? How? Because honestly speaking, I don't know. So anyway, I cannot be here whining. So I need to get moving, otherwise time is gonna not be on my side. It is 6:20 p.m. No, not 6:20 p.m. 4:20 p.m. 16:20. Oh Lord, help me. Okay, let me start, because if I don't start, it's gonna be a mess. And another mess that I need to clear is this. Do you see this? This area right here. I need to deal with it, but I'm not gonna deal with it today. Honestly, today let me just deal with this because I've already started on it. So let's go.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
Okay guys, I am finally done sorting out the clothes. As you can see, all the clothes are folded up, so I'm just going to put them away in the wardrobe. So these are clothes that we are going to keep. I don't know if we are necessarily going to carry them, but I know that we are going to use them between now and the time that we leave. So yeah, this is all our clothes, and I know I'm still going to need to declutter again while I am packing. But yeah, for now I'm done. I think I'm done. I am feeling extremely tired and extremely sleepy. And then I think because some of the clothes were dusty or because of the fur from the clothes, I'm getting an allergy. I don't know why I am so sensitive. I don't know why. But yeah, so this is done. So at least now when I need to sort my clothes, like for real, when I am packing, it won't be a lot of work. So this is our clothes done. As I said, I am doing this for 6 people. So this is for me and my hubby. And then now the next one is for the kids, which I honestly don't know when or how I am going to do it, but we'll figure it out. Pole pole. So these are all the clothes that I have decluttered or decided that I am going to give away, because some of them I haven't worn or some of them are just oversized. And yeah, so this is my whole giveaway pile. As you had seen in the other one, in the previous video, I still have a bag of already mini giveaway clothes. So this is another set, and I think I've done a good job so far. So I'm just gonna put away these clothes, and then I think I am done for today and for this video as well. Yeah, as I said, there's this part that I need to tackle, and then my house is just upside down. I can't even explain. But yeah, there's this part that I need to tackle. I won't do it today or in this video. I think I'll just do another video on a different day, because today I am feeling bummed. So we started at 4:20. It is now 5:20. I think I have done a very good job in an hour's time. I think that is good. So yeah, next time we will do, I think, the shoes and this area right here, my bedside stand, which I've shown you guys. So yeah, watch out for that. So as you guys are admiring my skills in folding clothes, my skills in folding clothes, I hope you are enjoying these videos. And if you are enjoying this sort of content and you would like to join our journey as we start a new life with new opportunities, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, of course leave a comment down below, and we will be happy that you joined our family and just being there for us and just being a source of encouragement. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support so far, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. As usual, keep positive, keep praying, and keep pushing. Love you guys. Bye.